Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, we talked about lexical stress, the stress that is part of a word. In today's lesson, we'll look at how stress works on a phrase or a sentence. It's getting a little more complicated. Back in lesson 12, we talked about syllables. Japanese rhythm mainly uses moras, so usually one kana is one beat. But Japanese has syllables too. We can describe syllables simply with a few letters. C means consonant, like k or m. V means vowel, like u or e. Using this system, we can describe a few Japanese syllables. Let's start at the top. A is very easy, one vowel. Ka has a consonant, k, and a vowel, a. We can add a glide sound, y, to make kya. C, J, V. We can add an to make dang, C, V, n. N is for nasal. And we can add one more vowel to make a double vowel syllable, like in kyo. English has more kinds of syllables than Japanese, a lot more. Every syllable has a vowel in the middle. That's the syllable nucleus. Then we can add up to 3 consonants in front and up to 3 consonants after. There are limits and rules. S can go many places, but b is more limited. Don't worry too much about that now. The important thing is this. In English, count the vowels. Start at the top. A, 1 V. 2, CV. Top, CVC. Stop, CCVC. Stops, CCVCC. Here's the difficult one. Strengths. Strengths. CCCVCCC. English does crazy things. Sorry. Now that we understand syllables, let's start working on stress. Here is a simple sentence. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. We'll split it into syllables. Count every vowel, and remember, diphthongs count as 1. So, Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Remember, plays, A is 1. Home, O is 1. We'll put 1 point of stress on every syllable. Next, look at each word. What is the strongest syllable in each word? Hikaru is a Japanese name, but we'll still give it stress in English. I'll put it on ka, because that's the usual English pattern. In Minecraft, mine is the strong syllable. Plays, at, and home have 1 syllable, so they're easy, 1 each. Now we have to think about phrases. Do you remember this from your grammar lessons? It's okay, I'll help. In an English sentence, you have a subject, verb, and sometimes an object. Subjects and objects are nouns. A phrase is a group of words that does one job. For example, we could say more about Hikaru. We could say, a cute 4-year-old boy named Hikaru. All of that is a noun phrase because it does the job of a noun. We can do the same to the verb, plays, and the object, Minecraft. All of those words together make a phrase. Usually, we put the verb and any objects together inside the verb phrase. You may have heard the word predicate for this. Jutsugo in Japanese. So let's cut this sentence into phrases. Hikaru is the subject of the noun phrase. plays is the verb phrase, and Minecraft is the object noun phrase. But wait, what about at home? Well, at home is a prepositional phrase. It adds new information to the verb phrase. The next step is to add 1 point to the strongest word in each phrase. So, Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Home is the strongest word. Finally, we add 1 point to the strongest syllable of the strongest word in the clause. A clause is just a combination of subject and predicate. I think Minecraft is strongest here, although we could put it on Hikaru or home. We have choices. And that's our finished clause. Let's try it. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Let's try a few examples using some famous song lyrics. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. One more time. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. Next one. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. One more. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. In the next lesson, I'll show you how intonation works. Intonation is like the melody of language. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye-bye.